Welcome to Live Bake Direct Tech. Today I'm in Selma, working on a walk-in freezer. I'm up on the rooftop on a condenser unit here. See, crack wide open. About to head down in a little bit to show you the leak. The system was charged last week. Well, the refrigerator is almost quite on, about halfway already. Our gauge connected. The system's been kicking off on a low pressure. See, my suction side is at 25, very low, just like under, not cooling. But this was installed, this store was remodeled and in 2018 and installed a new evaporator and a condenser unit in 2008 of June. It's a shame, barely almost 2 years old. Almost 2 years old only, and there's a leak in the system. But you'll see when I go down there in a bit. I have the unit turned off. But it doesn't matter if it's brand new or an old unit, doesn't matter. It just depends, really depends on the people that installed it or serviced it or repaired it. You know what I mean? If they do a bad job, horrible job, shitty job, it's gonna affect the system. No matter what. It's a 4A system. Alright. This was a little bit dirty, but we'll wash it tomorrow. We've got to come back. We've got to wrap this up. Just got to show you the leak on the bottom. Alright. I'm inside a walk-in. It's a fairly new evaporator here that was installed in 2018. See how the liquid line is braced in. See that kink right there? Whoever installed this did a shitty job. It's a thing that we don't want to have in this industry. They know they screwed up and they just left it, but they left the problem for us. It doesn't matter what happened. Here's the evaporator pan cover, the evaporator fan motors. Here's the whole unit here. It's a shame. It's a newer installed unit, so remember, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter brand new or old unit. Depend on the people who installed it or whoever serviced it, repaired it. That's a shame. But it's leaking where the kink is at. Pipe pretty much cracked. See, it's bubbling right there. Yeah. I mean, it's not completely flat right now, but charged it up last week, and it's not working again. Just kicking off of the unit off of low pressure. So that's what I found. And also used the leak detector. It's leaking in here. I thought it was in the actual evaporator, but it's not. Alright, so that's what I found today. Don't do crappy jobs like this, guys. Shitty jobs. It's unacceptable for any technician. If you know you screwed up, fix it. Because we are the solution. Alright, peace out. Love y'all. God bless.